C.
Compound.
Compound. Please now read the question.
What are the consistent, doable steps I can do?
Alright. Who among you here have big, seemingly impossible dreams? Raise your hand. Brother JL, can you share with us one big dream that you have, bro?
I've always wanted to make my own films. One of them is like would win an Academy Award. Oscar, huh? No, Oscar.
Oscar, yeah.
So, thinking about your big dreams now, what do you feel? I'm imagining it. It seems impossible, right? You know, that's the one characteristic of big dreams. It seems impossible. There's this technique that I realized. This is it. Compound. Okay, what is compound? You know, according to Albert Einstein, compounding interest or compounding effect is the eighth wonder of the world. Can you imagine? It's that powerful. This one is an old saying, an old life lesson, an old practical life lesson, but for me it's really, really powerful. Can you read the question? How do you eat an elephant? You know, our big dream seems like an elephant, right? Oh, what's your elephant dream? But the question is, how do you eat an elephant? How do you fulfill, how do you really achieve those big dreams? And that is where the compound effect comes in. The answer is, can you please read?
One bite at a time.
One bite at a time. I had this dream of becoming a sought-after motivational speaker, a best-selling author. And again, I was not trained in writing, I was not trained in speaking, but you know how I am fulfilling my big dream about speaking and writing? I started with just words. Who among you here dreams of having their own book, of writing or publishing their own book? Very good. That was my dream many years ago. And you know how I started? Every day I wrote down words. And the following day, or maybe the following week, I had sentences. And then some months after, I have paragraphs. And you know what? After 1 year, I finished my very first ebook. Publishing your own book is an elephant dream, correct? It's really an elephant dream. But you know what? Sabi ko, I can start with ebooks. Compared to 60,000 pesos, enrolling into a book writing, mentoring, publishing program, this is very cheap, right? And a year after that, again, I wrote down words, I wrote down sentences, I compiled them, and then they were paragraphs, and then it was another book. Ebooks. And so at this point, I have 2 ebooks. And you can find them at alab.phps. These are free ebooks. So, how do you really fulfill a big dream, an elephant dream, right? You really have to take it one step at a time. Baby steps, little steps, compound effect. Because if you're going to think about it, oh wow, words, I can write words, correct? Can you write a book? Can you finish a book? Pero some of you, majority maybe, parang no, parang elephant dream, impossible. But can you write 2 words a day?
Yes.
Of course! That's the power of the compound effect. If you're going to think about it, wow, 2 words every day, I can do that. And then 1 week you have a paragraph, and then 1 month you have a first chapter maybe. And then month after, second chapter. I started speaking to kids. I started speaking to kids. Can you imagine? And now, I was able to enter university, work for teach college students, and now I'm speaking all over the Philippines in different universities. Again, wait, disclaimer. This is not to impress you, but this is just to impress upon you that when you do things baby steps at a time, you will be motivated to start, and then, you know, doing it continuously will build momentum. Can you please say that? What?
Momentum.
Momentum. And when you have momentum, you'll become unstoppable, ladies and gentlemen. Can you please tell the person next to you, you are unstoppable?
You are unstoppable.
Very good. After speaking to universities, to college, to kids, I am now speaking in front of presidents and CEOs and companies. And you know, it started with just being in front of kids. And that time, every time you give a talk, you know, the kids are so bored and they will, you know, just ignore you. They will not listen to you. Pero that was my training. And so there, now I can really do this. You know what? When you start speak, or maybe when you start doing what you're passionate about, when you start, siguro yung the moment lang that when you're about to begin, that's very parang scary. That's scary. But once you're in, momentum starts kicking in. I didn't know that I had a voice. Bakit na ako ganito ngayon? It's just because I took that one step. Ladies and gentlemen, you really have to take that first step. The technique to break the barrier of fulfilling your elephant dream. And then, this happened. This is not a book. This is not a book. I don't have a published book yet. But after the talk, after the training, there were two business owners. Hindi lang po obvious, but this one is a very prominent guy. He's a president and owner of a big cable company. And that young guy is also an owner, a family-owned business. So he's part of the family, and now he's running for an office in Quezon. And after the talk, they approached me. Sabi niya sa akin, JB, can you sign my CD? Sabi ko, wow! These two gentlemen here approached me and said, JB, can you sign my CD? Sabi ko, no, wow. Sabi ko, it's really amazing. And this is really very, very memorable for me. You know what? We were expecting hundreds of company owners there, and only 20 came. That gave me an excuse. Just finish the talk, just get through with it, right? But you know what? When you love what you're doing, when you're passionate about what you're doing, you will really give your all. You will really pour everything in that craft, or in that opportunity, or in that task. And so this happened. So now it's your turn again. What are the doable steps? Very simple. Think of very simple, doable steps that you can do, implement, execute. Maybe right after tonight, right after this seminar. Along with your dreams, diba, you wrote there dream number 1, blank, yan, etc. And then you write there on your, again, so please read, what are the consistent, doable steps I can do? So again, consistent, you have to do it continuously. You cannot stop. So start writing very simple, executable, doable activities, please, that you can start doing right away, immediately, for you to fulfill your elephant dream.